Now we are ready with our next presentation. For next presentation, I need some help from our board committee and our superhero Dr. Kapadia. Look at him. After so many hours of non-stop working, he's smiling. Isn't he looking handsome and dashing? Round of applause for him.
Smile of success.
You need to come and join me, Dr. Kapadia.
Namaskar, good evening. I'm again in front of you. It's an exciting and most memorable moment of my life that you all traveled from all over the world, all over the US, and everybody is under one roof, our Rajmai family. I will start the program. Our distinguished guest today, Mr. Nagendra Singh, Consul General of India. He may come, but he got late because of 13 or 14 programs in the city. I would like to invite Levi Singh. Deputy Consular, Indian Consulate, Indian Consulate of India. Levi Singh, my apology. So, thank you so much for coming. And would you like to give a message from the consulate?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar. Jai Bharat, Jai Rajasthan. Thank you. It is my honor to be here on behalf of the consulate, Indian consulate, which we opened 2 years back in Atlanta. And Dr. Kapadia just requested me on International Day of Yoga that we are organizing this convention this time in Atlanta. So somebody should be there from the consulate. So I accepted his invitation on the spot, and I requested Honorable Consul General to be here. But you know, today being 15 to 17 functions in Atlanta and Georgia, he may land up any time, but I am not sure that he will be there. But I am very sure that Rajmai is doing a good job, and this time they are having their annual convention in Atlanta. It is proud that you all here in one group, as Dr. Kapadia said. I will not take too much of time. I will just convey the best wishes to you all on this happy occasion of India's Independence Day. Once again, you will be having live here, Nitinji. I hope you will enjoy the evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. This year we wanted to make sure that our sponsors get special recognition. You all are part of this team, but these people have raised the standard in coming forward and helping us with their financial support. So I'm going to speak their name and want them to stand up from their seat as we call their name.
First of all, as we know, that program of this caliber is not possible without the sponsorship from all sponsors. I really appreciate, and everybody was so generous and kind that made my journey easy. Everybody expects sometime a song from me, and in few lines I will like to say about my sponsors. So this is about a conversation between Tulsidas ji and Rahim. Rahim was a big Dani, and he always, whenever he used to give something, he used to keep his eyes down. So some people reach to Tulsidas ji that what kind of दान रहीम जी is doing. उनको दान भी करते हैं लेकिन उनको शर्म आती है. He keep his eyes down. तो तुलसीदास जी ने कहा, let us talk to Rahim ji. So he write 2 lines, and that is like this. ऐसी देनी देन जो कित सीखे हो सैन, ऐसी देनी देन जो कित सीखे हो सैन, जो जो दरू जो करो त्यो त्यो नीचे नैन। तो ये बात रहीम के पास पहुंची, तो रहीम ने कहा कि तुलसीदास जी को तो सब मालूम है, मेरे मुंह से सुनना चाहते हैं। तो रहीम ने वापस एक दोल पंक्ति लिख के भेजी, एंड दैट एब्सोल्युटली अप्लाइज फॉर ऑल आवर स्पॉन्सर्स, ऑल आवर वेल विशर। तो रहीम जी सेज, एंड इट इज ऑल फॉर यू स्पॉन्सर्स एंड एवरीबॉडी हु इज हियर टू सपोर्ट मी। देनहार कोई और है, देनहार कोई और है, बेइज्जत है दिन रैन। देनहार कोई और है, बेइज्जत है दिन रैन। लोग भरम हम पर करे, तासो नीचे नैन। लोग भरम हम पर करे, तासो नीचे नैन। So big round of applause for all our sponsors who really helped us make this program successful. I will like to say a few words about our team. As I mentioned earlier, we were very few people before this program was started. We have a big team, and I would like to thank all our volunteers for their great effort.
Dr. Taparia is very shy, so let's get started with our platinum sponsors here. Bernstein Private Health Management, are they here? Bernstein Group, thank you so much. Thank you.
Vijay Nilima Kothari.
It's our pleasure.
And Lab Solutions, which are not there here, I think. And I will say
The gold sponsor, Rajiv Chauhan and his family. Rajiv Chauhan is not here. Can we have his family stand up for us?
I think he went to get Nitin Mukesh for you.
Where is, okay, Bharti, can you raise your hand? You are so beautiful. Thank you. Thank you for your generous donation.
Dr. Jayesh Dalal, who is instrumental in getting Nitin Mukesh here. Sir, we appreciate your help. Dr. Raj Bansal, thank you, sir.
Dr. Bansal, thank you so much.
Dr. Naveen Sah, Mr. Naveen Sahu is not here. And
The silver sponsors are
Harnath Singh ji, I think. Thank you, sir. And Dr. Rohit Dandia, who couldn't come here. And there are many bronze sponsors, Dr. Naresh Parikh, Dr. Subodh Agarwal, Dr. Dwarka Seema Rathi, Dr. Harish Chandana, Dr. Shiv Sharma, Dr. Lucky Jain, Dr. Sudhakar, Dr. Kanak Golia, Vainer and Vainer, Polina Tours, ARP, Accurate Diagnostic, and list is
Integrated Medical, Dr. Sonu Singh, Georgia Home Health, and Manohar K. MedLife. Can we have all the bronze sponsors stand up all together? One time, please, all of you. We need all of you to stand up, please. I don't see all of them. Shabnam, can you stand up too? Thank you so much. Please look around. They are everywhere.
I would like to call Dr. Shashi Shah. Dr. Shashi Shah is our president of Rajmai, and I welcome you on stage. And
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. D.V. Singh, Deputy Consul General of India, Indian Consulate in Atlanta, friends, Subodh, first and foremost, it's a wonderful team. Name Dr. Tapadia and team. Brahm and team. Brahm, I just want to tell you, and to your whole team, you have no idea how much happy and grateful Rajmai community is to you and to you. For your love, for your dedication, which you have shown and showered upon all of us. You have brought Rajmai closer than ever before. So thank you so much on behalf of all of us. The presence of numerous past presidents, chairs and co-chairs of past conventions, including the people who started the so-called what is today Rajmai in 1968, the first Jaipur Medical Alumni Association, or any alumni association in the United States. That was 1968. Even those people, Dr. Cooker, Dr. Nish Malaria, and the other people, I will not mention names, but because I will miss some, including they are. There's the testament of their support and their dedication, and to make sure they take care of the tree which they've been planted. And these people are taken to another level by starting so-called G-study. Thank you. Thank you. And you know, more than that, two people, Dr. Tapadia, Nilimaji, but their spouses, their families, how much sacrifices they have to do, how much pain they have to suffer, how much details they have to work. Those people who arrange conventions, they know what exactly happened. And for that, we are thankful. Rajmai's main goal is to bring the people together, networking, helping each other, and in that process, if some charity, some donations are done, that's fine and bad. But take care of yourself first, just like in airlines, put an oxygen mask on yourself first. And that is what it is. So, we are reaching that goal. Last year, in Atlanta, in Niagara Falls, Sir, Deputy Consul General is here, so I would like to convey that to him, that the whole Niagara Falls was illuminated in tricolors of Indian flag on the Independence Day of India. Today, we had a fantastic Independence Day celebration in the Centenary Park, right opposite CNN headquarters. It was a scene worth watching. Vande Mataram, Jan Gan Man, parade, such a fantastic show put on by these people. So, without saying anything else, I want to thank the whole team, and thanks again. Thank you so much.
Thank
A
you.
lot of awards and gifts and appreciation will come back for that. Mr. Nitin Mukesh is on his way. So let's get the next item on the stage with G2 Dance. They are eagerly waiting for this dance performance. Abhishek and Aditi Kalla. Let's go.
Thank
Rajasthan alive one more time. So, दिलों की धड़कनें थाम लें, हमारी G2 जर्नी अभी समाप्त नहीं हुई है। एक और फैशन शो के साथ आ रहे हैं हमारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन। उनकी अदाएं, उनके जाने के तरीके, उनके घूमने के तरीके, उनकी स्टाइल हम सबका दिल जीतने के लिए तैयार हैं। Put your hands together for the second fashion show in a row by G2 family. This is choreographed by Mrs. Shweta Jain one more time. Let's go!
Put your hands up on the stage, you.
जिसने मुकेश जी से सीखा नहीं हो, वो दिल धड़का नहीं हो। ऐसी कोई भी सुंदर कन्या नहीं जिसने